How to create a guild on Discord. First of all, let's navigate and open the Discord app on your phone or computer screen and log into your account. Now about the creation of a guild on Discord, this feature is unfortunately available for limited user. Let me show you something. Here you can see that the guild's experiment will be ending in the upcoming weeks and no longer be available. However, certain features from the guild's experience may continue as standalone experiments. On Discord, a guild is a small, exclusive server where people who regularly play games together collaborate, compete, and hang out. Guilds can only have a maximum of 200 members. This guild member capacity cannot be increased at this time. This feature is currently an experiment and only available for a select number of servers. But if you scroll down a bit, you will find how to create a guild if this option is available. Tap on the server name in the top left, then tap on server settings and navigate to the guild settings tab. Here you can go through any of your guild settings and make adjustments as needed. Once finished, tap on save and exit in the top right corner. And that's it. This is how you can create a guild on Discord. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.